I hope you are able to hear me.
Yeah, we can hear you. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Mhm.
Yeah, guys, today we are discussing about how to install Oracle
Mhm.
19c on Windows operating system. How to install Oracle 19c on Windows operating system. Yeah, Nip Jyoti, wait
I
few
can see
minutes.
screen very well.
Yeah, but someone is saying, Nip Jyoti, wait 2 minutes, then you can see the screen. Okay, Rinku madam,
Mm-hmm.
I want to
Go
show
ahead.
you, I want to show you the installation part on your system.
Okay, go ahead. So
Right.
can I can share my screen with you.
Wait. First,
Mhm.
I will make you as presenter, then you
Okay.
need to share the screen.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now you are the presenter. Please share
Mm-hmm.
your screen. Yes, I'm seeing your screen. Please
Mm-hmm.
wait. So
Okay.
don't do anything hurriedly. Wait for my
Okay.
instruction, right?
Okay, no problem.
See, guys, in this system, you are seeing one folder, Oracle 19c. Before installation, we have to do some points. Please minimize the folder, madam.
Sure.
Mm. Open my computer
Mm.
or otherwise right click on my this PC. First File Explorer. Okay. Right click on my this PC and manage. Select manage.
Okay. It's recording, right? Yeah.
Yeah, session is recording.
Okay.
And open services and applications. Right side
Mm.
window, services and applications. Right
Oh, I
side.
see.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Open services. Uh, just single select the first service. Single select first service and hit O. Hit the key O.
Oh.
Yeah. Uh, please wait. So
Mm-hmm.
see here, guys, the services beginning with O. Here we don't have any old Oracle services.
Oh,
In,
I
in,
see.
in this system, there is no old Oracle service. So we can install the Oracle 19c. If there exists any old service, first you should remove that services. Then only
Mm-hmm.
do the installation.
Okay.
So in our present system, no old Oracle. We are ready to install Oracle. Please
Okay.
close this window, madam.
Sure.
Now, minimize this window.
Mm-hmm.
Now, open search window, run window. Just type run, run application. Here,
Mm-hmm.
temp, temp, temp. Okay, hit enter. Continue. Select all files.
All
Control
of
A.
this?
Yes, all of this. Control A. Delete. Yes. Do this for all current items. Select that one. So do this for all. Again, I am making you as presenter.
Okay.
Okay, right. So do this for all current items and then skip. Okay, temporary files deleted.
Mm-hmm.
Close the
How about
window,
this too?
leave them, skip them, no problem.
Close?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now again open run window.
Mhm.
and type %temp%, hit enter, and now select all files, Control A, delete. Do this for all current items and then skip again. Skip. So close the window
Mhm.
again, open run window. Type prefetch, Prefetch, prefetch,
PRE E
Fe, Fe, F,
oh
Prefetch, fetch. Yes, hit OK. Continue. Select all files, delete. So, yes, close this window.
Mhm.
Now, right click on recycle bin, empty, select empty recycle bin. Yes. Yes, select yes. All of you guys. Yeah, continue. Mm. Before installation, all of you listen guys, before installation, first verify, is there any old service, Oracle service in your system or not? If there is no old Oracle service, then you should remove all temporary files. Just
Hmm.
now we have seen, open run window, find out temp, and next time find out %temp%. Next time find out prefetch files. All these files should be deleted. Then the files saved under recycle bin. From the recycle bin also you have to remove the files. Once it was finished, then you can start your installation. Madam,
Mhm.
open Oracle folder. See guys, here we have Oracle 19C. Here we have Oracle 19C folder. If you open the folder, you can see these subfolders. Just go to end of the folder. In the end of the folder, you are seeing a setup file. Please wait, madam.
Yeah,
You are
yeah, I will.
seeing, yeah, you are seeing at the end of the folder, you are seeing a red color symbol, database symbol, and its name is setup. Right click on the setup file. Right click on the setup file. Do it, madam. And select
Yeah.
run as admin. Select run as administrator. Then your setup will be started. Within few seconds, your setup will be started. See, you are seeing your setup process window. Actually, then Oracle 12C, 19C installation is very, very easy.
Oh.
But some changes are there.
Mhm. So here we pick the password and the username for that.
Yes, yeah, not
Oh.
username, password is there. All of you see guys, here in the first window, you have two options. we should select first option, create and configure a single instance database. Already by default it was selected. So click next, select next. So in the next window, you should select desktop class.
Yeah,
Already
it is.
selected. Desktop class. Already selected. Now select next. Yeah. So this window, Oracle home user window and next window, very crucial in your installation.
Okay.
Okay, madam. Select create new Windows user.
This
Create,
one.
yes. Create new Windows user. Um, username. Oracle home user. Oracle home user. There is no space.
So,
Specify. Type.
yeah, so all lowercase,
All lowercase, no problem.
Oracle,
Oracle home,
uh-huh.
HOME, home user. In the password section, so first listen, Oracle _1. Oracle, O is capital. Oracle _1. O is capital.
Yeah,
_1. Okay. Again, confirm the same password. O is capital, remaining small. Oracle _1. Okay. Madam, please save these details in a notepad file.
yeah, I'm going to do that.
Just minimize the window and open notepad file. Any one text file. Yeah. And in the next, that is username. In the next line, O capital. Password. Oracle _1.
Right?
Right. Just minimize it. Select next.
Okay.
So all of you see here, guys. This is the configuration window. This is also very important. Here, Oracle base is C drive. Software location is also available under C drive. So Oracle base, madam, in the first window, in the first box, don't do any arrow marks. Don't click on arrow marks. In the first text box, after slash, type Oracle,
Lowercase.
lowercase. Okay. So what is the meaning of this is, under C drive, under Oracle folder, your setup will be installed.
Oh,
Under
okay.
C drive, under Oracle folder, setup will be installed. Okay. Now, global database name, ORCL. Please come to global database name, remove the remaining parts. neo.rr.com, just remove.
All this?
Yes, ORCL, keep ORCL. Remove the dot also. Yes, now your global database name is ORCL. Password, come to the password. Manager _1, M capital, manager, remaining small, M capital, remaining small, manager _1, and confirm the password. Yes, Piyush, tell me.
Sir, under C drive, I think so. The folder name is Oracle 19C or it's Oracle?
Only Oracle. 19C, this is 19C. Madam already kept the original file in the C drive only. So software location is 19C and installation path is C Oracle.
Okay, so there would be new location would be created once we click next or once we
Yes,
install it. Is it?
exactly.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
All of the people, guys, please see here. You are installing Oracle in C drive, and also here global database name is ORCL. Global database name is ORCL, and here we are using password is manager _1 M capital manager _1. Madam, Rinku madam,
Yeah, go ahead.
here in the notepad file ORCL, you are using E also. Remove that E.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. In here, after global ORCL, in the next line, username. Type username in the next line. Hit enter. Username. The default username is system, all small.
Oh.
All small, system. Okay. Remember, guys, here our DBA username is by default system and password is manager_1. And one more point. In the installation window, see the last point. See the last point, pluggable database name. Pluggable database name ORCL PDB. It's a default local database. ORCL PDB. Pluggable database name is ORCL PDB. ORCL PDB. That's all. So minimize the notepad file.
Yeah.
Minimize the notepad file. So now select next. Select next. Now you have summary window. Yeah, this is the summary window. So in this summary window, you can see Oracle home user, again Oracle home user only. First statement, installation method, desktop installation, database edition, enterprise edition. Already we discussed 3 types of editions. Express edition only for practice, standard edition for small business, enterprise edition for any scale business. Oracle base is C Oracle. Software location C Oracle 19C. And Ora MTS port number. Don't worry about all these things. Just leave them. And now you have an option install. Install. Select install. Now your installation was started. It will take at least 20 to 40 minutes. That
Oh,
depends
wow.
on system speed. It will take at least 20 minutes to 40 minutes. Madam, don't click on anyone. Take care.
No, I won't.
Yeah. Minimize this installation window. And minimize this window, black window also. Don't close any window and close this folder window. Close the folder window. Yes. After 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, madam, see here. This is the installation part, guys. This is the part of installation. It's a pop-up window. Here, you have 2 options in this window. By default, public networks was selected. See here. So Don't use public networks, just use private network. Select private network and remove that public network and select allow access. Yes. And wait few seconds, then your installation will be finished. Yep. Before completing installation, shall, shall we discuss other things?
Yeah, sure.
Yep.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So is the process same to install a Mac OS also?
Probably it's different.
Mac OS means we have to check the process from the Oracle website, madam.
Okay. Can we
Actually,
find it in?
uh, I didn't make any installations on the Mac OS till now.
Okay.
So we have the help file in the Oracle website only.
Okay.
So or otherwise, give me one day time. I will check in the online what is the installation process on Mac, and I will forward that process to you.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Abhishek, Ubuntu mean on Abhishek on Ubuntu process means you need more technical knowledge on any Linux. If you want to install Oracle, you need more knowledge. Technically, you should be strong. It is a separate process. It's not as simple as Windows installation. It's not as simple as Windows installation.
Sir, could you please define the pluggable databases?
Okay, okay. So what is a pluggable database? Sure. Nipjyoti, actually, still we are discussing day one document only. Okay. And what is a pluggable database? So let me explain. So actually, this is the architecture of cloud database. Yesterday, I have explained to you, this is the
Yep.
architecture of cloud actually. Before cloud, how it look like? First, let me explain that point. Before cloud, your database is look like this. Hold on. Suppose you have a business, and in your business you have 4 branches. In your business you have 4 branches. So first branch database server, second branch database server, third branch, and fourth branch. Actually, this is the setup before cloud database. And all these servers, all of your servers connected to one grid database server. All of these servers connected to one grid database server. The grid database server is look like this. It's also a database. So what is the use of grid? Grid is providing communication between one branch server to another branch server. Communication between one branch server to another branch server. And see, grid is also taking care about monitoring of each branch server. What it is doing? It is providing communication. Okay. Next one is, it is monitoring all servers from one place, that is called as grid. And load balancing means it is monitoring what is the data load on each branch level server. If there is any heavy load, grid will manage that load. And one more point is, in case if any server failed all of the sudden, if any server was failed, for example, suppose this was failed, the third system was failed, temporarily grid hold the data from the third branch. Whatever the data coming from third branch operations, grid server temporarily hold that data. Once the branch level server is ready, then grid will upload the data. So grid is also useful to manage temporary backup and recovery. These are the advantages by using grid. Listen here, guys. What are the disadvantages? The setup is very costly. First point, setup is costly. Why it is costly? Here you have 4 branches. If you have 400 branches, you have to maintain 400 number of servers. You should pay to the Oracle company. You have to pay to Oracle company for 400 servers. It is costly, first of all. If number of branches increasing, we have to maintain more grids. We should maintain more grids also. So you need a separate infrastructure to maintain all these things. Now, let me coming into cloud. Instead of maintaining like this, see here, guys, just I am purchasing a cloud. What is the cloud? See, this is called as cloud storage area. Cloud storage area. So it's a big storage. It's not a small space. It is a very large space is there. You can store huge amount of data. So in this large space, we can reserve small space for branch 1 and reserving another small space for branch 2, reserving another small space for branch 3. If you have 100 branches, I can reserve 100 spaces in one cloud storage area, right? So the small space reserved for branch, that is called as pluggable database. What it is? It is known as pluggable database. Remember, the space reserved for branch in the cloud, That is known as a pluggable database. Pluggable database. It is also known as local database. It is also known as local database. Remember, both are same. So here, what is the benefit of the cloud? All servers available at one place, all branch servers available at one place. Monitoring is easy. All the setup is at one place. So maintenance is easy. And you have more levels of security. More levels of security. And in the cloud, this is called as cloud. In the cloud, if you make any changes here, the changes automatically available to all pluggable databases. The changes are available to all pluggable databases. So changes are immediate, means dynamic. The changes are dynamic. So maintenance is easy, monitoring is easy, cost is less, more levels of security, and changes are dynamic. That is the benefit of cloud database. Understand?
I have a question.
Yes.
The installation is not going further, like it's just there 7%. Is it normal?
So still it is showing 7% only.
Correct. Yeah, I just want to make sure with you.
Yeah, no problem. Just refresh your desktop couple of times.
So,
Refresh the desktop a couple of times.
hold on, let me go to my desktop.
So it will hold at 7%. Immediately it will jump to 57%.
Okay.
Yeah, Piyush, I hope you understand what is a pluggable database.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir, I got it.
yeah. So already I explained what is OLTP and OLAP. In any project, you can see two types of databases, OLTP and OLAP. In the cloud, what is OLTP? Operational database. Operational database for everyday business activities. See, this is known as OLTP. These databases are known as OLTP. So these are known as OLTP databases. Pluggable databases are known as OLTP. And this is known as OLAP, online analytical processing, like a data warehouse. So all the setup is at one place. It's very, very easy to maintain. And generally, I can compare these two setups like this. See, within a colony, suppose you have one area, one colony. Yeah, see here, these are called as independent houses, individual houses. But here, this setup is known as gated community. If you want to construct independent house, it is costlier than purchasing one flat from the gated community. Independent house is very costlier. But if you are purchasing any flat from any gated community, the cost is less. In the gated community, for example, in the gated community, there is a common area. All the flats people, all families can use the common area. In that common area, if the people arrange any one function hall, if the people arrange any one function hall and the people are arranging one playground. So the function hall is available to all families. Yes. And playground is also available to all families within the gated community. So that's why I told you, if you make any changes under CDB, if you make any changes under CDB, the changes available to local databases. And someone is saying, asking about, in case CDB failed, then entire business is impacted. Is it right or wrong? Kishan, in case, let me take grid first. In your area, in your living locality,
It's
there are
failed.
some uh, power grid stations are there. What is power grid? All some power substations are connected to grid. If the grid failed, definitely your all transformers or all substations connected to grid, everything will be failed.
I have question.
Yes.
The installation says assistant installation is failed.
Okay. Please, I will come back to there. Wait, please wait, madam.
No problem. I just want to let you know. Sorry
Yeah,
about bothering you.
no problem. See, if the grid failed, some locations are black because power failure is there. So the substations connected to the grid temporarily affected, but after some time, are you get back your power or not? Similarly, whatever the data we are maintaining here in the cloud, for this data, there should be a backup always. There should be a backup always, compulsory. So same question, suppose if anything happened, suppose any hackers hacked our database, temporarily the database should be down. So from the backup, we will get back our data. And so let me go back to our installation process. Madam, please share your screen. I will check it. Okay, open the installation window. This red color, red. Okay, open this one, white. A cup of tea. Yeah, open it. Please wait. 52% completed. Okay, here select OK, madam. Configure database configuration assistant failed. Please, first, please open this one, white color one. Yes, open, click on that. Yeah. Okay. Here, database configuration assistant failed. If you have any message like this, don't skip this. You have a chance. Retry. Again, retry, madam. Select retry. Yes. So again, it was started. Keep your cursor outside the window. Why? Because sometimes by mistake our cursor clicked on some other options. Be careful. Okay. So I hope you understand what is a local database or pluggable database and what is the grid setup. Now, once installation was completed, how can I connect to database? How to connect to database? By using any one client application, we can connect to the database. By using any client application, we can connect to our database. What is a client application? Client application is known as, the default application is SQL plus, SQL star plus. All of you see here. Here, go to start and all programs. Here, Oracle folder. Switch to Oracle folder. Under this, you have one application, SQL plus. If you select SQL plus, it will open the client application window. It is opening the client application window, and it is asking about, it is prompting for username. See, whatever the setup we have seen here, just now we have discussed cloud architecture. Let me open this again. In this, in case of cloud database, first priority goes to admin. First admin connect to CDB. Then admin switch into PDB. Then admin create one user account for the local user. Local user is nothing but developer. 3 steps I am explaining. Again I am repeating. First, admin, he will connect to CDB. We are the developers. Remember, developers always work with PDB. So admin can work with any database. Admin connected to CDB. Then admin switch into PDB. Under PDB, create one account for local user. This is the process. 3 steps. The same 3 steps I am explaining here. Open the window. Enter username. So first admin has to connect. What is our admin username? System. Password manager _1. Just now we have seen in our madam system. Manager _1. So enter. Then it is saying Oracle connected to Oracle database 19C. So if you have a doubt, say here guys, show user. Who is the user? System. Show container name. Show container name. System connected to CDB. Reminding people guys, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Kishan,
yeah.
all the people are able to see. Okay, right. Thank you. Now, so system connected to which database? CDB. Next one. From CDB, system switched into local database. Again, see here, our system admin connected to whom? CDB. Now system switch into local database. How to switch? See here guys, alter session set container equal to varcl pdb. Alter session set container equal to varcl pdb. Session altered means system switched from CDB into PDB. Show container name. So now your database is local database. Your database is local data. See here guys, initially system connected to CDB. Now after this command, system DBA switched into local database. In the local database, he has to create DBA create one user account for the developer. DBA create user accounts for the developers. How to create user account? How to create user account? So this is the command we have to use. Create user Dinesh. So our class time is 7 a.m. This is my username. Dinesh 7 a.m. Identified by welcome is the password. And quota, how much space reserving for Dinesh 7 a.m. Quota means space. 100 MB space I am reserving on user's space. Again, create user username. Identified by password is welcome. Quota, how much space you are reserving? 100 MB space. If you want to reserve a 500 MB space, specify 500 M on users. See here guys, before Oracle 12c, prior to Oracle 12c, old versions, up to Oracle 11g, don't use this. Don't use this. Only in the cloud databases, whenever you are creating user account, use this selected part. Otherwise, only use up to here to create user account. User created. User created. Next, grant resource connect to Dinesh 7 a.m. These are the permissions given by the DBA. Permissions given by DBA. Grant resources, comma, connect permission to Dinesh 7 a.m. Grant succeeded. Your user account is ready. Your user account is ready. Now, present who is the user working with the local database system. So DBA already created account for Dinesh, for the developer. Now developer is ready to connect. Say how to connect as developer. How to connect as developer. See, connect. What is your username? Dinesh 7 a.m. / password is welcome @ORCLPDB. Is he connected or not? So Dinesh 7 a.m. user account is ready and his password is welcome. He is successfully connected to local database ORCLPDB. Under ORCLPDB, you can create tables, create objects, select data, modify data, everything you can do here. Okay, this I hope you understand guys how to create user account in Oracle 19c. 19c, 18c, 12c, same process, no change. Now, how can I disconnect? How can I disconnect from database? Exit, closed. Okay, exit, closed. Next time onwards, how to connect to database? Next time onwards, how to connect to database? Same process, same process. Second time onwards, open SQL Star Plus. First connect as DBA, then switch into local database, and then connect as developer. Same process. You are not creating, just you are connecting from second time. For example, let me show you. Go to start. Here, switch to Oracle folder. Switch to Oracle folder. You can directly open it. So this is the standard navigation. Switch to Oracle folder. Select SQL plus. So don't specify directly Dinesh 8 a.m. Don't specify directly Dinesh 8 a.m. and specify welcome. It's wrong. Invalid username. Initially, you should connect as DBA only. So system password is manager_1. Now connected. DBA connected. Then DBA switch the database into local. Alter session set container equal to ORCL PDB. So now the database is switched into local. So for the local database, you can connect as developer. Now you are able to connect. Second time onwards, connect as DBA, switch into local, connect as developer. Connect as DBA, switch into local, and connect as developer. That's all. Exit. Instead of this, I want to explain a shortcut method to connect to database. Shortcut method to connect to database as a developer directly. So what we have to do? See, the short method is go to search window, open command window. In the command window, type SQL plus. Type SQL plus. What is your username? Dinesh 7 AM slash. What is the password? Welcome @ORCL PDB. Open command window, type the command SQL plus, submit username / password @ORCL PDB. Directly connected to database as a developer. Yes, Nip Jyoti, you can create another local databases also, but you need DBA knowledge.
Okay, sir. Means, sir, in like MySQL, we cannot create simply one database and then table. It's not like that.
Yes, in MySQL is not a cloud database, only normal database.
Yes, sir.
In MySQL, you are unable to create any local databases. Okay, so now let me check the installation part again.
Sorry. Yeah, you can, it's fail again. So I did the retry and a refresh. It's still at the 52%, but you can check it.
So please open the installation window.
Yeah, it's
Still it,
failing at that same place.
okay. So do one thing, refresh outside the window, refresh outside the window. Yeah. Now open that installation window. Okay. Please come to open run window, run application. Type prefetch
Okay.
and hit OK. Select all the files, delete. Yeah, skip it. And again, remove the temporary files also. Open run window. Temp, okay. Select all temporary files. Try to remove. So do this, skip. That's all. Please close your temporary windows. Close this. The above also you can close. So refresh on the desktop. So we should not skip the configuration. If we skip the configuration, our installation was failed. So uninstallation is very, very difficult. So please wait. How many times you make retry?
The first time I did with you and the second time I did by myself. So there's only
Oh,
2 times.
no problem. No problem. It will completed. It will be completed. Even though, suppose if it was not completed, then just keep that window minimize. Don't close the window. Tomorrow I will check it again.
Okay.
Generally, see, keep the open the installation file,
You
installation
mean,
process window. Yeah. So keep it as it isly. Window should be opened, and outside that window, do the refresh multiple times, couple of times.
oh, you mean here?
Yeah, here. Yes. Couple of times do that action. So 52 completed means if it moved to 81, your installation definitely successful.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it
If
goes
it,
to the 71% and it fails that configuration assistance.
so sometimes it will take some time, and sometimes it will be failed to set up the internal processes. No problem.
Okay.
So it's not a problem at all. It will be completed. So remove that temporary files from recycle bin.
Let me minimize this.
Yes. So after installation, we have to follow some process that I will explain tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Open that installing window. Just open. Keep it as it isly and monitor it, what is happening, right? And the middle, just do couple of refresh on the desktop. If you get installation successfully completed, then you have an option at the bottom of the window, exit or close. You have an option, exit or close. Only select option at the bottom of the window. Don't close the window directly.
Okay.
Okay, don't click on into mark. We have to select the option exit or close at the end of installation.
Okay.
Right. In
I
case if it was failed again, just
Mm-hmm.
minimize it, keep it for tomorrow. I will check it.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you, all of you. That's all for today. If you have any questions, then ask me. Yeah. Thank you, all of you. See you tomorrow at the same time.
Okay,
Tomorrow
thank
we are discussing what is SQL Star Plus.
you. Mm-hmm.
Right.